Hey folks, yet another cool day, relatively speaking, across the valley. 2 in a row, courtesy of yesterday's front. We were kind of keeping our fingers crossed, since temperatures are spending most of the day in the 70s, that we wouldn't reach that 80-degree mark, because that's pretty rare in September. Here's where we are right now, though. Harlingen and Raymondville at 80 right now. McAllen did make 80 earlier this afternoon, so yes, it's below normal, but we'll show you some stats. Thanks to Alan Shoemaker for putting these numbers together. McAllen made it to 81 today. The last time McAllen stayed in the 70s during September was back in 2014 at 79 degrees, but we didn't do it today. Made it to 81. Harlingen made it to 80, so that doesn't count either. Brownsville so far has a high of 79. Last time it stayed in the 70s was in 2009, September 25th at 79. We'll have to watch and see if maybe late this afternoon Brownsville touches 80 as well. If that's the case, then those days will hold as the last time, most recent time, temperatures stay in the 80s. Now, Futuretrack says tomorrow morning we'll be in the 70s again. By afternoon, though, we do warm up. Look at that, low 90s by tomorrow afternoon, and tomorrow evening readings are still back into the 80s. So a much warmer day across the area tomorrow, and then Sunday even warmer yet. But the rain chance starts to increase late Sunday. We'll talk about that in a second. 91, 93, 88. That's your next 3-day highs. So by Monday, rain chances go way up, and that keeps temperatures down a lot. Now, Doppler network's quiet today. That old front still sitting offshore. We've seen spotty showers mostly offshore, but that's about it. Front wipes out tomorrow. I think by Sunday, though, we start to see an increase in cloud cover, and by the end of the day Sunday, the chance of showers is on the increase. And how much rain are we talking about? Well, nothing to speak of tomorrow. Very spotty. Not much on Sunday until late in the day, and then Sunday night we start to see rain chances increase along the coast. So here you look at it. Not much tomorrow. Sunday, an increasing chance. And look at Monday, 70 and 60. So let's get to the whys. A very busy Gulf of Mexico. Northern Gulf, a trough of low pressure that's forecast to move westward and has some chance of developing over the next 5 days. Whether it develops or not, is likely to be an increased rainmaker for us. We also have Tropical Depression 19 that I don't think will be an issue for us, but it will be in the Gulf of Mexico early in the week. This is what Futuretrack looks like. The front washes out. The trough in the middle of the Gulf moves off to the west-southwest. It increases our rain chances. The low, the depression, stays on the other side of the Gulf, we think, at least through the weekend into next week. But see that trough, that dashed line? That's what gives us that increased chance of rain. It comes right across the top of us, and on top of that, there's a cool front that's going to die here. And that combination gives us a good chance of rain. We'll give you the specifics on 19 later on, but you can see we expect it to stay in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. So tonight, mostly cloudy, just a spotty shower. And then tomorrow, not much more than an isolated shower around. Temperatures climb back into the 90s. The next 7 days look like this, where our chance of rain stays with us, especially Monday and Tuesday. And it looks like a good chance of rain. That will keep temperatures down a little bit, and it looks like we could see 2-3 inches of rain pretty easily out of this. This is one of those situations that could come together and give us some pretty good rain across a lot of the valley. Again, that's as early as Sunday night, but more likely Monday into Tuesday. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.